Hi, I'm Nimisha Deval. Today we are going to see some important examples of DFA and NFA. So first example is draw a DFA which recognizes a string containing binary representation of numbers that is in the form of 0 and 1 which are multiple of 2. So first we have to find out which strings comes under this part. Right now they have mentioned over here that binary representation of numbers which are multiple of 2. So first we have to find out some binary represented numbers which are in multiple of 2. So first we will consider such a strings which are comes under in this set. So regular language is equal to the binary representation of numbers who are multiple of 2. So 0 comes under this category, then 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So first we will convert all these numbers in the format of binary. 0 is represented as 0 only, 2 is represented as 1 0, then 4 is represented as 1 0 0, 6 is represented as 110 and so on. So here we have find out some strings which are always ends with 0. So whenever we are designing deterministic finite automata means DFA for those numbers who are into multiple of 2, in that case our every string is ends with 0 because we are considering all even numbers. Whenever we are mentioning multiple of 2, in that case all numbers generated through these strings or through this language are always even numbers. So our strings always ends with 0. Whenever we are creating our DFA, we need two steps. Means two Q0 is our initial state and Q1 is our final state. So we are requiring only two states Q0 and Q1. Out of that, Q0 is our starting as well as ending state and Q1 is intermediate state. So whenever we are drawing DFA, we should draw its transition table first and then we will move towards drawing its DFA. So total two states are there, Q0 and Q1. Q0 is starting state as well as the final state. This is the denotation of starting state and star is the denotation of ending state. So total two inputs are there because we are considering binary representation, that is 0 and 1. Then whenever we are considering Q0 with 0, it remain present in the same step. And whenever we are considering Q0 with 1, it move towards the next step because it is the odd number. And same with Q1. Q1 with 0, Q1 with 0, it goes to Q0 because it goes to acceptance state, and Q1 with 1, it remain present in the same state. So this is the transition table for our given first question. So now we will check its transition diagrams means actual DFA. So by using Q0 and Q1 we will find out that its DFA acts as a this one. Q0 is our starting state, Q1 is our intermediate state. Q0 with 0 it remained present in the same state because these are containing even numbers, and whenever we are using Q0 with 1 it move towards next step, that is Q1. Again same case, if we are considering 0 it remain present in the same state. Whenever we are considering 2, its binary representation is 1 0, so Q0 with 1 it goes to Q1, Q1 with 0 it goes to Q0, so that string is get accepted. Now suppose we have considered one number 3 and its binary representation is 1 1. So check, Q0 is starting and final state, Q0 with 1 it goes to Q1 and Q1 with 1 it remain present in the same state. It means that string is end over here, that is in the Q1 itself, but Q1 is not a final state, that's why number 3 is get rejected. So this is the final DFA for the strings are multiple of 2 with its binary representation. So we will move towards the next example. Next example is nothing but draw a DFA which recognize a strings containing binary representation of numbers in the form of 0, 1 which are in multiple of 3. So right now we have seen how to write it for 3 values. Sorry, multiple of 2 values. Now we are going to see for multiple of 3. So we will consider as regular language 0 is there, then 3, 6, 9 and so on. For 0 again the representation is 0 only. For 3, 1, 1 is there. Then for 6, 1, 1, 0 is there. Then for 9, 1, 0, 1 is there. 1, 0, 0, 1. This is the representation of 9 and so on. So here our string may end with 0 or may end with 1 because we are considering odd and even combinations. That's why we need to finalize our states. Here we will require total 3 states because here even number is also there, odd number is also there. So our states are become as a 3. First we will rub this because here combination of even and odd numbers are there. So total number of states are 3, Q0, Q1 and Q2. Now consider 0 is acceptable, so Q0 itself acts as a final state as well as initial state whenever we are considering 1, but 1 is not accepted, so we will move towards the next step, that is Q1. Then Q1 with 0. Whether 1, 0 is acceptable over here? No. That's why whenever we will move towards Q0, Q1 with 0, it goes to next state, that is Q2, and Q1 with 1, it move towards first state, that is Q0, because 1, 1 is accepted, that's why we can move towards the first state. Then Q2 with 0, it goes to Q1, and Q2 with 1, it remain present in the same state. So this is the transition diagram for the strings which are multiple of 3 in the format of binary representation. So according to this transition table, our state transition diagram becomes as this is the state transition diagram for the strings which are multiple of 3. Now see, Q0 is our starting as well as final state. Q1 and Q2 are our intermediate state. Whenever 0 is occur, it remain present in the same state. Whenever 3 is occur, it goes to Q0 to Q1 and Q1 to Q0. So 3 is get compiled. Then second value is 6. 6 representation is 110. So Q0 to Q1, Q1 to Q0 and Q0 to Q0 itself. Then for 9, binary representation is 1001. So 1, 0, 0 and 1. 1, 0, 0 and 1. So this is the final DFA for binary representation who are in the multiple of 3. Then our third example is what? Draw DFA for language in the two formats, that is number of A's mod 3 is equal to 0 and number of B's mod 2 is equal to 0. So we have to consider both the cases. Now we will move towards our explanation. This is our example. So here two cases are there. First one is number of A's mod 3 is equal to 0, and second case is number of B mod 2 is equal to 0. So we have to consider both the cases. Then we can move towards the next step. Whenever we are considering mod 3, in that case, we have to consider all the combinations of A which are generating value of mod 3 is equal to 0. So there are three occurrences. Value of mod may be 1, maybe 2, or maybe 0. First we will consider 0, then 1, then 2, because there are possibilities of these three values after calculating A mod 3. That's why we have considered three cases. Whenever we will find out our value as a mod 3 as 0, we will consider it as A0 is our state. Then whenever value of A mod 3 is 0, then we will consider its state as A1. And after that, whenever A mod 3 value is 2, we will consider next state, that is A2. Same happen with number of B's mod 2. Number of B's mod 2. There are two occurrences. Answer may be 1, answer may be 0. So whenever answer is 0, in that case we will consider our state as a B0, and when answer is 1, we will consider state as a B1. So these are the total 3 states. Now what they have asked in question, where number of A's in given string, that is W, mod 3 is equal to 0, and number of B's in given string, that is W, mod 2 is equal to 0. So we have to consider both the cases because and symbol is there. So we have to combine these three into these two states. Means we have to do one task, that is 3 into 2. So total states are 6. So we have to make its combinations. So combinations are A0, B0, next one is A0, B1. After that A1, B0, B1. Then A2, B0, A2, B1. So these are the 6 possible states for our expression, that is for given language. So first we will design its transition table, so it will be easy to draw its transition diagram. So right now we have seen its total states. Total states are 6. These are the states. So first we will draw its transition table. A0, B0 is our starting state as well as our ending state, because this is the mod 0 value. Whenever we are doing A mod 3 is equal to 0 and B mod 2 is equal to 0, these two states are acceptable states. That's why we are considering A0 and B0 as a acceptance state also. So we are mentioning it as a acceptance state. So here possibilities are 2, that is either A will be there or B will be there. So there are two cases. Answer A is there, input symbol A is there, and B is there. Now A0, B0 with A, it move towards the A1, B0. A1, B0, and with B it moves towards the A0, B1. Then A0 with B1, A0, B1, with A it move towards the A1, B1, and with B it move towards the A0, B0. Then A1, B0, with A it move towards the A2, B0, and with B it move towards the A1, B1. Then A1, B1, and likewise we have to complete our transition table. So first I will complete it. Whenever we are going towards A to B0, with A it goes to final state, that is A0 B0, and B it move towards the next step A to B1, and for remaining last state A2 B1, with A it goes to A0 B1, and with B it goes to A2 and B0. So this is the transition table for our examples. So now we will see its diagram. So this is the diagram for the strings of A's and B, where A mod 3 is equal to 0 and B mod 2 is equal to 0. So this is the transition diagram for given example. Now check whether all strings are get accepted which comes under that state. So next example is DFA to accept even number of A's and even number of B's. So we have to consider here the string which are containing even number of A's and even number of B's. So first of all we will take this example. Now see how to first of all divide it into two parts. Here it contains even number of A's as well as even number of B's. Right now we have seen one example, even multiple of 2. It means that comes under the category even number of values. So whenever we are considering even numbers, it requires two states. So for first category, that is even number of A's, we require two states, and for even number of B again we will require two states. So first we will consider even number of A's. It requires two states, and even number of B's, it again contains two states. So total number of states are nothing but the 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So there is a combination of two states with other two states, that is 4. So we will consider EA. EA is the initial state for even number of A's, and another state is OA. OA means odd number of A's. Same with B. EB for even number of B's and OB for odd number of B's. So total states are become as EA EB, means it's a starting as well as the final state. Then EA OB, then OA EB, and last state is OA OB. So these are the total 4 states we have to consider. There are two inputs. First one is A, and then second one is B. So we have to consider both the inputs. EA with EB, it goes towards the EA with A, it goes towards next step, that is OA EB. Then EAEB with B, it move towards the next step, that is EAOB. Then we have to move towards next step. EAOB with A, it move towards the another step EAOAOB, and then EAEB. OAEB with A, it goes to acceptance state, and with B it move towards the intermediate state. and that last state, that is OA OB. With A it goes towards the EA OB, or with B it goes to OA EP. So this is the transition table for given example. Now according to this, our transition diagram will become as, this is the transition diagram for given example. Now see, suppose our string is AB means even number of A's are there and even number of B's are there. Now check. With A it goes towards here, with A it goes towards this state, with B it goes towards this state, then again A and again B, and it finally reaches towards final state. So this is the transition diagram for given example. It is also called as the DFA. Then last example is, draw NFA which accept a string containing THE as an intermediate string out of A to Z. A to Z are nothing but letters. So we have to divide our examples in the form of letters. In that example, there are different possibilities are there. For example, otherwise this string may comes under this category, then therefore is also there. So these are the few examples for the strings containing THE. Now we will move towards directly the transition diagram, that is nothing but DFA as well as NFA for same. Now see how to draw its NFA as well as DFA. So this is the NFA for the strings which are acceptable THE. In simple way, TH is our one string, so we can directly go to a final step with the help of T, H and E. We are dividing our string into alphabets or letters T, H, E. And suppose our string may start with some other letters, like example as a otherwise. In that case, our string is start with O and ends with E. So at the starting state we have added loop of A to Z values, and at the ending state we have added loop of A to Z values. Drawing the NFA for such an example is easy, but while drawing its DFA we have to consider all the cases. Q0 to Q3, THE is easy, but whenever we are considering DFA, you can directly convert NFA to DFA with the help of subset construction algorithm, or you can directly draw its DFA by taking all the possibilities. Now I have here minus T for this loop because we are moving towards Q0 to Q1, and this is the one input which goes to next, that is the Q1. So that's why while drawing DFA we have to do not repeat such a inputs or outputs. Now see, I have written here Q0 to Q1 by T. So we have to remove that. Otherwise it goes to NFA. That's why whenever whatever occurrence will be occur in that state, we have to remove that part. Now see here, we have covered T and H for these two states. That's why we have removed here T and H through this loop. So we have to take care of these loops, and according to you have to draw its DFA. You know already how to convert NFA to DFA with the help of subset construction algorithm. You can do it, but for this case you need to follow logic only. That's why I have written differently DFA as well as NFA. So in next video we will cover pushdown automata with its example.